Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Are you planning to reset your PC or reinstall the fresh window on Windows 11 or 10? If you are doing the fresh reset or reinstalling the Windows and planning it, so before that you can watch this video and you can optimize your system performance. I have taken some necessary and important steps in this video which is included, and this will help you to speed up your system performance without resetting the PC. First one is disable Windows fast startup. So fast startup, I have written all the descriptions so you can read out it. But basically fast startup is shut down when you shut down your system or restart your system. So it doesn't shut down your system properly. Somehow it creates the cache on your system and lags the system. Open the control panel from here and go to categorize icons and choose large icons, then select power settings, then select choose what power button do, and from change available. And now from this window, if you see the fast startup, just turn off that setting like this and then apply the changes. So this is the first setting to change on your system. Now let's move on to the next setting. Now this is very important also. Turn off unnecessary startup and background app services. Open your Windows taskbar, task manager, and look for your services here, and now disable all the services. Only leave the system defender is enabled. Rest of the services you can disable without any issues, like this. These are just taking the memory and CPU uses on your system, but there is no need for such apps. And once you disable it, close it, and also move on to the next step to remove the Microsoft Teams, Spotify, Discord and unwanted third-party software from your system. Go to add and remove program, and look for the app on your system and remove the unwanted app from this list. Let's say you don't play the Xbox on your system, then we can just remove it, and eventually this will delete the services related to that software, and your system load will be less than previous. So this is the step number 2. Now let's move on to the third number. This is also very important to tweak and change the virtual memory on your system. Open system.cpl here like this, and now go to advanced and then go to settings. Again go to advanced options, then click on change and untick this option and choose your D drive, and then click on custom size. And now let me show you how you can calculate the virtual memory size. Let's say you have physical memory of 16 GB, 1024 into 16 again into 1.5, and this value you need to paste it here, but only you need to do it when you have the 16 GB. Suppose that you have 8 GB of memory, just divide it by 1024 into 8 and you will get this value. Then you can multiply it to 1.5 and copy and paste this value from here to here. Then click on set, then click on OK, and this process will take time after restarting your Windows. Apply the changes, then click on apply, then click on OK and restart your Windows. So we can restart after completing the first all the steps here. We can select the restart later now. So page style will basically help your RAM to boost your system performance. As you can see here, I have written all the description for that. Now fourth one is optimize power plan and graphic performance. Okay, so this is related to the gaming performance. Like the power plan is what you select on your system. When you go to edit power plan option, and you will see power plan options here, you will see more options here. In laptop generally you will see balanced only, but if you see the power plan, like the higher power plan, adjust for best performance or the most powerful plan, so choose that option and simply click on apply and OK, and this will help you to boost your system performance. Also look for the graphic card settings on your system if you are using the CPU especially, and this will basically help your graphic card to boost your system performance to high performance. And now let's move on to the third number. Now this is disable Windows delivery optimization. This is the basically chokes your internet, and also when you upload any background data to on your system, it will basically transmit to another computer, which can choke your network. So how we can disable it? Just go to delivery optimization settings here, delivery optimization setting, and choose if it is enabled. Just choose this option, devices on my network, devices on the internet on my local network. If it is enabled like this, allow download from other devices, just click on disable. And once you disable it, restart your Windows and check everything should be working fine on your system. Additionally, this is the bonus step in this video. Just cmd run it as admin sfc space / scan now. Let this scan on your system, and this will show you the result at the end once it is completed to 100%. And this command will fix the file corruption. Sometime due to the file corruption on the system, you feel laggy on your system. So this is the video, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.